Lesson 9.5, Equations and Graphs. The solution of an equation in two variables is an ordered pair that makes the equation true. For example, 2, 5 is a solution of the equation y equals x plus 3. Because 5, so they're taking, remember that in an ordered pair, the first number is the x, the second number is the y. So then they're just putting the numbers into that. So the x would be here, and the y would be here, which would make 2 plus 3 equals 5 true. So a linear equation is an equation whose solutions form a straight line on the coordinate plane. Any point on the line is a solution of the equation. A blue whale is swimming at an average rate of 3 miles per hour. Write a linear equation that gives the distance y in miles that the whale swims in x hours. Then graph the relationship. So what formula can you use to help you write the equation? So write the equation for the relationship. So we have distance y equals the rate, so 3 multiplied by time in hours. Step 2, find ordered pairs that are solutions of the equation. So we have 1 being multiplied by 3 and giving us an output of 3. So our ordered pair is 1 and 3. Then we have an input of 2, so 2 is being multiplied by 3 and give us an output of 6. So 3 times 2 is 6. So therefore our ordered pair would be 2, 6. 3 would be our inputs. 3 times 3 is 9. So our ordered pair would be 3, 9. Then we have x is 4, so we're putting it into the equation. So 3 times 4 is 12. And our ordered pair would be 4, 12. Then graph the relationship. So they've already put the ordered pair for 1, 3. Then they're expecting you to do 2, 6, 3, 9, and 4, 12. The graph shows the number of beaded necklaces Y that Ginger can make in X hours. Write the linear equation for the relationship shown by the graph. Step 1, use ordered pairs from the graph to complete the table of values below. So it goes to the origin, so it's 0, 0. But then when the x is 1, then the y is 2. When the x is 3, the y is 6. When the x is 4, the y is 8. So you're multiplying the x times 2. So each y value is 2 times the corresponding x value. So the linear equation for the relationship is y equals 2x. So for numbers 1 and 2, you're supposed to graph the linear equation. For number 1, they've already started to set up a table, but they don't do that for number 2. So you're going to have to do that yourself. For number 3 and 4, you need to write the linear equation for the relationship shown by the graph. Then for numbers 5, 6, and 7, you're going to graph the linear equation. For number 7, it already has a graph done, so you're just going to write the linear equation for the relationship shown by the graph. So the graph shows the number of loaves of bread Y that Kareem bakes in X hours. And then on the back side, you're doing 8, 9, and 12. So the graph shows the growth of bamboo plant. Number 8, write a linear equation for the relationship shown by the graph. Identify the independent and dependent variables and tell what the variables represent. Number 9, use your equation to predict the height of the bamboo plant after 7 days. Number 12, the linear equation y equals 7x represents the cost y in dollars of x pounds of trail mix. Which ordered pair lies on the graph of the equation? So you're choosing A, B, C, or D.